What if I tell you that scientists and universities are paying you real money just to share your thoughts? This is not one of those sketchy survey sites. This one actually pays people, and people are cashing out every week. Let's talk about Prolific. One of the easiest ways to earn money online in 2025 by just being you. Prolific is a research platform where universities and researchers post studies, short surveys, games, or experiments and pay you to participate. Imagine being paid to participate and giving out your honest thoughts. Prolific focuses on quality research, meaning fewer ads and more real opportunities. You can earn anywhere from $2 to $15 per study, and they are all super easy. No tricky questions, no long forms, so it's easy to earn on Prolific. To get started, just go to prolific.com, click on sign up as a participant and fill in your details. After that, you complete your profile. Make sure it's 100% accurate because your answers help them match you to the perfect studies that matches your profile. So once your profile is complete, studies will start to show and pop up on your dashboard. I'm going to show you the dashboard of Prolific and also the app, how it looks like. You just go to prolific.com, but I'm just going to show you how it looks like so that when you go to apply, you will be knowing exactly what you will be looking for and what you will be expecting to get. With Chrome, I'm going to search for prolific.com. You go, it will show you this page like this, and then you have to go at get paid to participate. That's if you are signing up as a new user. You see, it will say start earning, get paid to change the world, take interesting paid tasks from anywhere, whenever you want. So if you play start earning, you have to write your details: first name, last name, email, date of birth. So with Prolific, each study shows the time required, payment, and hourly rate, so you can pick the most profitable ones when you are doing their studies. So now let's talk numbers, because I know this is the part where everyone wants to know what will be happening. Most users make from $50 to $300 per week depending on how active they are. Some studies, they even pay $10 for 10 minutes. It's not bad, right? It's not bad. I know it's not bad because I have tried it. And this one can be even for your coffee break. And then the payments are made through PayPal, and you can cash out as soon as you hit $10. So with Prolific, when you reach $10 and you feel like you want to withdraw your money, you can quickly withdraw your money into your PayPal account. For you to maximize your earnings on Prolific, keep your browser open so that you get notified first when a new study appears. Also, fill out your profile completely. The more info you give, the more studies you qualify for. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. And then most importantly, for you to maximize your earnings on Prolific, keep your browser open so that you get notified first when a new study appears. Also, fill out your profile completely. The more info you give, the more studies you qualify for. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. And then most importantly, be honest. Researchers can block fake responses. Check daily, especially mornings and evenings when new studies drop. That way you can maximize your earnings. So If you are looking for a legit side hustle that fits into your daily routine, Prolific is the great place to start. You don't need special skills, experience, or fancy equipment. Just your phone, a bit of your time, and your honest opinions. If you have a laptop, it's a plus bonus. Prolific is literally one of the easiest ways to earn real money online while we're helping researchers create the next big discovery in science and psychology. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Prolific before, or you are signing up today? If you have tried it, please drop a comment below and tell me how much you plan to earn this week. If this video helped you, smash the like button. It really helps the channel to grow. And if you love finding new ways to earn money online, then make sure you subscribe to Creative Cash Lab and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you also be notified first. You won't be the last one to see it. And also, viewers, if you want to go further, check my other videos because they will show you how to combine and double your income from home. Until next time, this is Creative Cash Lab, helping you turn creativity into cash.